Hello, and welcome to VisitorDay, a brand new service that allows you to fully develop your entire domain portfolio in under an hour. VisitorDay is different from a parking service where you end up with just a page full of links. Instead, VisitorDay creates unique pages for your sites and then allows you to actually attract outside content writers as well as add your own content quickly and easily. And you know, the difference between a domain that just gets traffic from type-in traffic versus traffic from organic is huge. There are more and more people searching every day, and a service like VisitorDay lets you easily get your domain ranked on the first page of Google and Bing. Well, don't just take my word for it, though. Let me show you some examples. First, let's take a look at creative promotions. This is a keyword that gets over 2 million results in Google. And you'll see that right here, creativepromotions.com, which is a VisitorDay site, appears on the first page of Google. Let's look at another example, microscooters.com. If you take a look at this, you'll see actually microscooters.com shows up right here, not only on the first page of Google, but the very first entry in Google. Now I'll give you one more example. Here is Green Health. There is a huge amount of search volume for this. 494 million results when you search for Green Health. And there's greenhealth.org, yet another VisitorDay site sitting there on the first page of Google. So you might want to know, okay, well, how does this apply to my own domain portfolio? Well, the great thing about VisitorDay is it's completely automated. And I'll show you now by logging into my own account. Now, I've already entered in my login details, so all I have to do is go up to the top of the screen and hit My Account. This will let you view everything from domains that you have in your account, as well as statistics on how your domains are performing, articles that you may have on your site. It's all here. So if I look here, what I can do first is show you how to actually add domains to your account. And, well, easily enough, it's on the left-hand side here under Manage Domains, and you simply select Add Domains. Now it's going to ask me to select a group. When I click here, I can select either user groups or VDay managed groups. The great thing about managed groups is I can just select a category. I think my name's fallen, and then the folks at VisitorDay will take care of everything for you. That's the great thing. Rather than you having to sit there and auto-configure every single domain, VisitorDay will do it for you. And it's real people doing it, not just an algorithm. They're setting it up, and then their algorithms actually go forth and are what allow you to get ranked better in the search engines. So I've selected default here, and this page reloads, and now all I have to do is enter my domains here. So I'd say domain1.com, domain2.com, and I would enter this list here. Well, once I have my domains loaded into the system, it's really easy to manage them. And all you have to do here is go into Domains Bulk Management, and you'll see all the domains that you've added in VisitorDay, as well as the group they fall in. And then SEO nuts will love this. You have meta keywords, meta title. It's really easy to tweak some of those things that are really important for SEO directly through the VisitorDay interface. And remember, you don't have to set this up. This can all be set up for you by VisitorDay. Another really great thing about VisitorDay is that there's a few advantages that you have over a parking service. The first is that you actually are using Google AdSense to monetize, but you don't have to actually pay for an AdSense account or set up an AdSense account. Instead, the account is set up for you. You don't have to worry about it. All the analytics, all the data is in VisitorDay. On top of that, you'll notice that publishers are allowed to contribute. This means that if you have a website that someone else would like to have their content, their links on your site, they'll write articles for your site. You could even be paid to have articles placed on your site, which means that your site will have more content and you have another source of revenue outside of just PPC. As you can see, VisitorDay does a lot more than a parking service. VisitorDay actually develops your entire domain portfolio and lets you get your domain names ranked and move your way up the revenue ladder by collecting revenue from Google AdSense and from publishers writing articles for your site.